Alright, so today we're going to be making alkaline vegan sloppy joe. I'm basing this on the Manwich, but making a healthy version of it. So we're going to start with an onion and mushrooms in the food processor. Just going to chop them up, pulse it until they're chopped like that in small, tiny chunks. We're going to fry it in the pan in the wok. Fry it in coconut or grapeseed or avocado oil, or all three blended. Now we're going to blend some habanero and bell pepper. Just one habanero is plenty. Even half of one might be enough. And take out the seeds. Be careful not to touch your eyes. Alright, now we're going to add some processed chickpeas. These were already cooked. And now we're going to food process some Roma tomatoes. You can also use cherry tomatoes, which are a little bit better tasting, but more expensive and hard to find. Okay, we're going to add some more oil and the tomatoes. Stir it all up.
It's not burning. It's burning non-stop. You can switch the pan.
Doesn't look very appetizing yet. So we're going to add sea salt, and don't add too much salt. I am going to add a little bit of cayenne also, and onion powder. So if spicy is no good for you, don't add habanero or cayenne. Then some agave nectar and a little bit of cloves. Ground clove. Just need a pinch. You can always add more later, but if you add too much, you're going to ruin it. And then I'm adding a little more salt, a little more onion powder, and a little more agave. Some sesame oil. Since there's no meat in here, we have to add all of the oil. And some sesame seeds. Starting to smell good. I'm going to add some olive oil drizzled on top at the end, because you don't want to heat up your olive oil. Just add it at the end once it's done cooking. And we're about to try this out. Is your mouth watering? So I don't eat wheat at all. I only use Spelt bread. So this is 100% Spelt bread. I'm adding some coconut MCT oil because I think the toast with MCT oil or just coconut oil is so much better. And then your sloppy joe. Now, I actually like eating these open-faced, but I'll make it into a sandwich this time. But I usually make 2 open-faced ones. And there you have it.